Welcome to our lesson about the ruled surface tool. Let's begin by activating the tool. This command extends a surface in a specified direction from a selected edge, so let's figure out how to work it. The first option we've got under Type is Tangent to Surface. Let's choose that, and we'll select an edge in our graphic area. Now, since these two surfaces are associated with these edges, the alternate face option is active. And let's click OK. Let's activate the tool again. And let's try the normal to surface type. Select this edge. Change the distance to 5 millimeters. We can click here to reverse the direction if needed. And let's click OK. Activate the tool again. Let's try the tapered to vector option. Select this edge. For the reference vector, I'm going to select this surface. And let's reverse the direction by clicking here. We'll bump our value up to 15 millimeters. And let's change our reference vector to this construction line here. Let's click OK. Activate the ruled surface tool again. Now let's look at perpendicular to vector. Once again, I'll select this edge. And for the vector, I'll select this face. Let's click OK. The last type is sweep. For the reference vector, I'm going to use this face and this edge. There we go. Or for the reference vector, let's select a sketch line, for example. Click reverse direction and click OK. And this concludes our lesson about using the ruled surface tool.